Okay, let's come over and look at the Nasdaq next. Now, NQ, I've got this running flat for this 2 here, then this 5 up, 2 back. And again, the thing that kind of endears me to the idea of a 1-2-1-2 in the ES is that's exactly how it counts in the NQ here. So I'm looking for the NQ to lead, if that's what we're going to get, and power up here to just over 8,000 next. Obviously, we've got to take out the high from a few weeks ago first. So just keep an eye on the NQ. It should, if we're going to do this, lead from here and push up next. I'd expect to see the major rotation and divergences in the final fifth, not in the 3 of 3 of 3. So I'd expect to see that come in a little later if that's what we're going to get. Just coming down the timescales in the NQ, and there's on the hourly chart, there's that 1, 2, 1, and at yesterday's low in the NQ it held the 764. In the NDX cash market it held the 887. We need to take out 76.38 as the first sign that we're going up, then 76.58 after that. So that's this peak here followed by this 1.0 extension here, and head straight up to 78.06 on the smaller time frames in the NQ next. Dow Jones Industrial, the YM, is just picture perfect still. So yesterday's low held the 1.0 extension, and you can see we're already pushing off strongly off that now. So I'm looking for the 5 of this 3 of 3 of 3, and it's hitting every single fib to the penny all the way along at the moment. So I'm looking for that to continue, and for the Dow Jones Industrial to stay above 26,563. That figures the YM futures figure as opposed to the cash market figure.